Hello, greetings from the eruption site. Today is September 14th already, and eruption is ongoing. So soon it will be 6 months, half a year since it started. We are here in Geldingadalur Valley observing the eruption from Fagradalsfjall mountain, which is behind my back. And this is the lava field that got filled just 2 days ago. We were here when it was happening. It was old lava here, but there came a lot of new lava. All this part of the lava field was burning hot lava 2 days ago. Now it's cooled down, and the top is cold, but under is still hot, of course. And the lava lake shifted further north. We will go there and we'll research it. I was flying drone over the volcano. There is a lot of hot magma inside. It's very much active, and it has this pulsating activity. I mean, crater starts boiling every 5-10 minutes, but the hot magma stays there. I mean, just this pulsating activity ongoing every 5 to 10 minutes, as it was in May and June. But we don't have those big fountains. It's just a little bit less. Like sometimes lava shoots above the rims, but mostly it stays within the crater. So this is the view we have today. Quite a few people here on the top of Fagradalsfjall. There is a guy even with Icelandic flag, flying Icelandic flag here. Never seen it. It's very cold. My hands are freezing. I did 2 flights about the volcano. I went straight about the volcano, but it was high enough to be safe. Nothing happened to the drone. The flights were safe. Did 3 flights today. Amazing footages as always. I will share them when I come home. So let's take a walk further north and film that lava lake there. Get closer to that. So cold today, cold, very cold. Wind. Arctic winds are very cold in Iceland. See, the lava is boiling there. Lots of activity going on to the north. So I talk to you later.